Can I use block letters in a resume or cover letter?
Hello there, career movers and job seekers. Today we're tackling an often asked question. Can I use block letters in a resume or cover letter? Understanding the do's and don'ts in this area can make a big difference when it comes to making a positive impression on potential employers. Let's dive in.
What are block letters?
First things first, let's clarify what we mean by block letters. Essentially, block letters are a writing style where the letters are written in a manner that they fill up a square, with all letters being the same height and width, and typically they are all capitalized. You may have seen this style in handwriting, but it's also available in certain computer fonts.
Should I use block letters in my resume?
Moving on to the main question, should you use block letters in your resume? In general, it's not advisable. While block letters can make a statement, they can also come across as unprofessional or hard to read when used extensively. Your resume should be easy to read, with a clean, professional font like Arial, Times New Roman, or Calibri. It's okay to use capital letters for section headings, but avoid using block letters for the main body of your resume.
Can I use block letters in my cover letter?
As for the cover letter, the same rules generally apply. Using block letters in the body of your cover letter can make it difficult to read and may be seen as unprofessional. However, using capitals for certain parts such as the subject line or the employer's address in a formal layout can be appropriate. Remember, the key is to maintain a professional, easily readable style. In conclusion, while block letters might seem like a way to stand out, they can often have the opposite effect by making your resume and cover letter appear less professional and harder to read. Stick with a traditional, professional font, and save the capital letters for headings and certain parts of a formal cover letter. We hope this video helps you create a resume and cover letter that impress potential employers. Good luck with your job hunt!